I am Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir, Associate Professor, Lalpur Business School, Government College University, Faisalabad. I did postdoc from UWA Business School, the University of Western Australia. During my postdoc project, I learned this new technique called fuzzy set qualitative comparative analysis. Credit goes to my supervisor, my mentor, Donella Caspers, who advised me to learn this technique. Charles Ligon, the Chancellor Professor of Sociology at the University of California, developed this innovative research methodology, fuzzy set qualitative comparative analysis, and introduced its software to the public in 1987. Unlike conventional regression methods, this technique is asymmetric configurational analysis that evaluates the key conditions such as necessary and sufficient condition analysis. It focuses on the condition of variable rather than the variable themselves as in CRMS. For instance, democracy is a variable, full democracy is a condition of that variable. Therefore, QCA break down the variable into condition, categorizing them as a full in, full out, or neither in nor out. fsQCA has been steadily growing since its first paper was published in 2004. Its publication history over the past decade reflects its growth. This is the publication history. You are seeing that from 2014 to 2024, continuously there is a growth in its publication. These are the journal with the highest number of article implying QCA. Number of article implying QCA based on publisher is this figure. All types of informations, publications, and latest update on fsQCA are readily available on this website. You can download the software and you can get the update regarding fsQCA. Today lectures is on why do we prefer the fsQCA over conventional regression methods. There are at least three reasons for the preferring of fsQCA. The entire structure of this universe is based on set and subset relationship, encompassing both the macrocosm and microcosm. This is the Bronfenbrenner's ecological system theory, in which you can see that individual is a subset of microsystem, both are the subset of mesosystem, all three are the subset of exosystem, and then macro system, and then chrono system. So the whole universe is in relation with system and subsystem. Similarly, if we look into the human beings, all these factors seem to be just like on a miniature scale of the universe and in the body of the human being. There is also within the body the system is based on set and subset relationship. There is a relationship between microcosm and macrocosm. All systems around us connected in set and subset relationship. Natural system, economic system, academic system, technology system, organizational system. Why sets and subsets matter in understanding system? Certainly, there is hierarchical and relationship complexity of management and interconnectivity. To address the challenges within these systems, it is essential to utilize a tool, namely fsQCA, which based on set theory, set subset relationship. This is the, you can say, is the base of this technique that is called qualitative comparative analysis. Second reason is that CRM regression examines the net effect while QCA focus on the complex and asymmetric relationship between the outcome of interest and its antecedents. The main goal of CRM is to identify the best fit line or hyperplane in the given data set that generate a linear relationship between predictors and the outcome variable. CRMS determines the net effect of the single regressor on the regressant. This is the phenomena that the CRM adopt in order to get the calculation. They are going to get the best fit line. The question is, can a single factor alone bring about change in a social setup? The answer is no. So why do we rely on CRMs, which only provide the impact of the single factors on the outcome? The third reason is that the concept of equifinality refers to the idea that various combinations of the factor can lead to the same outcome. As an illustration, let's pretend you are reaching the element that contribute to restaurant sector success. Three requirements stand out to you: high quality food, convenient location, high internet views. You might express the relationship as follows using the Boolean algebra. It may be in a single factor, it may be in a combination of the two factor or three factor. High quality food combined with the convenient location may get the success. High internet views may get the success. Success may rely on a single factor or a combination of factors. That is the main reason to adopt this methodology. So that methodology is important at least for these three reasons. Thank you so much.